In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a template in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing your digital life, but one of its most powerful features is the ability to create and use templates. This process can save you time and effort, ensuring that you maintain consistency across your projects or documentation. Let's dive into the steps so you can start making the most out of your Notion workspace. To begin, you'll need to open Notion and navigate to the page you want to convert into a template. This initial step is crucial because it allows you to gather your existing content in one place, making sure that everything you want in the template is right in front of you. Once you're on the desired page, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Template button and select it. This action will help you access the functionality needed to create your template. After you choose Template button, a configuration panel will appear. This panel is where the magic happens, allowing you to define the specifics of your template setup. You'll notice a field labeled Name. This is where you should input a title for your template. Choose something clear and descriptive, making sure it reflects the purpose of the template. It could be something like Project Template or Weekly Planner. Naming your template appropriately will make it easier to locate and utilize in the future. Further down in the configuration panel, you'll find the Template section. This is where you'll actually configure the content of your template. Click in this section, and it will open an editing area where you can drag the elements and content from your original page that you want to include in the template. Be thoughtful about what you're selecting. Consider what elements you'll consistently reuse, such as text, headings, tables, or checklists. Once you've chosen and arranged all the necessary components, you can move on. Now that your template content is set up, you'll want to click Done in the configuration panel to save your changes. This action finalizes your template structure, making it ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it, your page is now a template. This is particularly useful for replicating projects or structures time and again, ensuring efficiency and uniformity across your workspace. Whenever you want to use your new template, simply go to a database or an empty page in Notion, and click the Template option to select your newly created template. This feature allows you to instantly populate a page with predefined content, saving you the hassle of setting everything up from scratch. By developing templates, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also ensuring that you maintain consistency and structure in your digital organization. And that's how you turn a regular page into a reusable template in Notion. With these steps, you'll be able to swiftly navigate and optimize your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy templating!